Melon is derived from pineapple. When you peel your pineapple, you will see the process in this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back again. I am so excited. I am back with a very beautiful recipe. This recipe is, like always, tested and trusted. It contains bromelian. Bromelian is derived from pineapple. When you peel your pineapple, you will see the process in this video. I'll be peeling my pineapple. You cut your pineapple into two halves. The middle part of your pineapple is called bromelian. And that part of pineapple is very beneficial to the skin. It is also very beneficial to the health in general. So I'm going to be mixing my bromelian with other fruits, base soap with other fruits, base soap, essential oils to help glow your skin, give your skin that even skin tone that you've always desired. So guys, if you like to see how to make this extreme whitening, even skin toning, hyperpigmentation free, black spots free, acne free, eczema free soap, then stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I achieve this recipe. So guys, thank you so much for all your support. Please keep on supporting me so I can be uploading more videos. Thanks guys for watching.
Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it day natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural. Make your skin tight, skin fine. Make your skin so natural, skin fly. Make your skin day spotless, skin nice. Make your pure bliss, very cool like a nice.
So for this recipe, I'll be needing a lot of fruits or some fruits, banana, 2 life-size banana, and a pineapple, which is my main ingredients for today. I'll be peeling off this pineapple. What I need actually is the middle part of the pineapple, which is called the bromelian. Bromelian has so many health benefits. It contains anti-inflammatory ingredients to help improve your skin, to help heal the skin. Bromelian has many beneficial effects which go beyond its ability to improve skin, wound healing. It certainly deserves more recognition for its healing properties. This can be used to remove the dead cells on the skin, leaving your skin moist, glowing, and firm. Trust me guys, I had to go arm's length to get this pineapple. Hope it tastes good. Because this pineapple doesn't just have to go to waste. I have to eat from this very expensive pineapple. This is actually not pineapple season where I live. It's very expensive at this time of the year. But I need my bromelian and this is the best way I can get it. So the middle part of the bromelian, slice your pineapple, peel the back of your pineapple, slice it into 2 halves. You can slightly see the demarcation on the middle part of the pineapple, so I need to get that part out. This can also be used to make very effective face mask to help glow the skin, to help exfoliate the face. I'll be making a video very soon on how you could use bromelian to make very beautiful face mask. Yes guys. So after slicing your pineapple into sections, get the middle part out, and there is your bromelian. People use bromelian typically to remove dead skin from burns and to reduce inflammation and swelling. It's also widely used as a digestive aid. Its list goes on and on. Adding to this recipe is 2 large bananas. Banana is also very good for the skin. It contains moisture, potassium, and vitamins E and C, which all promotes and clear a glowing skin. This works also very good on oily skin. If you have oily or greasy skin, banana is good to add to your face mask or your body wash. It's also a very good source of anti-aging. It can also help to treat acne and lighten those dark spots. If you're suffering also with hyperpigmentation, it will help to even the skin tone, help to firm the skin. Slice your banana all into small chunks and place all into a blender. Blend until you get a smooth consistency. You may have difficulties blending. Add little rose water. I'm not adding water into this mixture, although I'm going to be using my preservatives because I'm using fruits in here. So for my soap not to go bad, I'm going to use preservatives. But for this blending, I use a little bit of rose water. You could also use distilled water. So here I have my soaps. I'm going to be grating all the soaps. This is Perfect Glow soap. Perfect Glow soap is very good for the skin. It will help to give you a balanced skin tone. Then I also have my glutathione soap, glutathione compromise soap. It's also a very good soap. It will help to lighten those dark parts of your skin, give you a brighter skin color. And this is my Ghana soap. I'll be using just one Ghana soap. You could use the raw Ghana soap if you desire, but I'm using the already made Ghana soap. Also, my kojic acid, I'll be using kojic acid. Kojic acid is a natural lightener to help lighten and brighten the skin. Here also is my turmeric powder. You can never go wrong with turmeric powder, although it stains, but it will help naturally lighten and brighten the skin. I'll also be adding in my glutathione serum. So I'm ready for grating. This is my favorite part of making soap. I love to grate. I can grate 100, 1,000 soap. It helps me to exercise my hands, my fingers, and all. I love it. So get a medium-sized bowl, a grater to grate your soap. You could also use a knife to slice into chunks. Today, I'm going to be going directly into mixing this recipe, but you could also soak this for a period of like 5 weeks, a period of 5 days to 7 days to get your soap to soak in. You can soak it with glycerine or oils. That way it will be easier for you to work with. Adding all your ingredients, I'll be adding in my powders. Turmeric powder is very beneficial to the skin. You all know the benefits of turmeric. It will help to lighten and brighten the skin naturally. I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of my turmeric powder into the mixture. Then I'll be adding in glutathione lightening serum. This is also optional. You could use any lightening serum of your choice. I love this serum because it gives you a balanced skin tone and it doesn't contain any hydroquinone or steroids. So guys, now you can add in your kojic acid. I already dissolved my kojic acid with my lightning glycerin. Kojic acid contains anti-aging properties. It will help to improve the appearance of spots and sun damage. This could also help to lighten and brighten your skin. So I'm going to be adding in my fragrance and preservative. I noticed even after using preservative, the color still changes because of the fruit, but that's no problem because it doesn't change smell and it doesn't change the effectiveness of this soap. This soap, guys, is very effective. It will help balance your skin tone, give you a very even skin color, and a little actually goes a long way. I'll be needing a measuring cup to measure in 400 ml of my blended pineapple and banana. Measure 400 ml and pour into your grated soap and other ingredients being mixed. This should be your last ingredient. This can also be consumed. This is very good for the skin. Working on your skin outwardly, it's very important that you also work on your skin from the inside. You could also drink this mixture with a little bit of lemon and notice your skin after 2 days, 2 or 3 days, you notice your skin beautifying from inside out. You can now mix in all your ingredients with a hand mixer. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to add in one ingredient, which is my Bromelian body cleanser. This is the final stage, guys. This will help exfoliate your skin. It will help clean up your skin. Even the texture of this soap will leave you amazed. Mix it all in together until you get this thick smooth consistency. Then store mixture into clean sterilized containers. This soap can also be stored in the refrigerator. You could also store this in your refrigerator or in a cool place. That's it, guys. For any questions, please contact me on my Instagram page. I am always available to answer all your questions. Thanks so much for watching.
Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it ain't natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural.